Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to use the whiteboard in Zoom. Let's get started. First, open the Zoom desktop app and join or start a meeting. At the bottom of the meeting window, click on the whiteboard button. If you don't see it, click on Share Screen, and then select Whiteboard from the options. A new whiteboard window will open, and you'll see the toolbar at the top. Here you can draw, add text, make sticky notes, and even insert shapes. If you're collaborating, participants can also be allowed to draw on the whiteboard if you enable that option. Just click on the Share toolbar, give security gives, and check Allow participants to annotate. Everything you do on the whiteboard is saved automatically in your Zoom account. After the meeting, you can go to the Zoom web portal, open Whiteboards, and find your saved boards there. That's it. That's how you use the whiteboard feature in Zoom. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.